It's another late night here, like very late. So I ordered a salad. Don't ask me why, I don't know. I just wanted a salad. I guess I was craving a little bit of roughage. I got a lemonade, a Cobb salad. It's got chicken and I see avocado, bacon, boiled eggs, tomatoes, lots of avocado I see. I'm not sure what else is in there. But it looks really good, and I have blue cheese dressing. And I also got fish and chips with tartar sauce and coleslaw because one meal is never enough. Ooh. I don't imagine I will eat all of this. That's why I left the lids, so I can put them away if I don't finish. It is probably around 2:30 in the morning right now. Late night. Late night. I do not understand why I can't get things done early. I do not know. I do not know. Well, I do kind of know. Today I really just felt like garbage. Garbage. I've had a headache for like the last 4 days. Let's get some pepper. Yeah, about 4 days. And it's a tension headache. It's a stress, muscular tension, whatever, something like that. Yeah, I feel it through the back of my head, through my neck, down into my shoulders. It's really annoying. Like really, really, really annoying. Alright. Let's put some dressing on the salad. Yep, that is blue cheese. I'll just put that over there. It's pretty. It's a pretty salad. Oh, man. And yeah, my air conditioner is running right now. The heck. Hopefully it goes off pretty soon. It's been running for a little while. But I'm having issues with it. Today is Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, and this sucker has been leaking since last Thursday. Got a bucket catching water. So if the air goes off while I'm filming, you'll hear the water like just pouring into a bucket. Just pouring into a bucket. This is a lot of dressing. Yeah, I know. I know it is. I'm okay with that. If you're not okay with that, then that's your problem. I like a lot of dressing on my salad. Alright. So there's that. Oh. Piece of chicken. Dang, this is gonna be fun. Chicken, cucumber. so much avocado. Mm. 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 That's really good. Mm. 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 Yeah, it's like 2:30 in the morning. I still have to edit. Mm. Not to mention, maintenance is supposed to come tomorrow. Oh gosh, I hope. I hope they're coming. Mm. Okay. Mm. And I do have ketchup for my fries, but I'm opening my tartar sauce first because I want to try the fish. I've been craving fish, and this looks really good. It's like beer battered. Hmm. 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 That's pretty nice. Pretty nice texture. Mmm. 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 That's pretty delicious. Hmm. Mm. 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 Here we go. Mm. Ooh. Mm. Mm. Nice big hunks of chicken. Mm. 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 There's some onion in there too. I just got a little bite of onion. Oh mercy. Yeah, I was hoping I'd feel better. I was hoping my headache would go away and I'd be able to order something. I was hoping The maintenance person would come today. No. Well, yesterday, now. Yeah, Tuesday. What day is it? Jeez, that's sad. Oh yeah, it's Wednesday. 2:51 in the morning. Yeah. Oh. So if I would have made that community post, y'all definitely wouldn't have been getting a video today. But I'm gonna stay up all freaking night. There it is. Yep, going in the bucket. Good. I had just emptied it. The drainage from the air conditioner. They've got some kind of drainage that goes outside, and it must be clogged up or something. The ceiling tile has already fallen. I've already had to clean it up. I'll put the pictures. Yeah. I'll put a clean towel down and a bucket. Dang. I mean, at least the air conditioner works. I'm not sitting here in the heat. I mean, if the air conditioner was actually broke, they may have come sooner, but it's just leaking, and it's an inconvenience. I've got to like sidestep around the bucket when I go in and out of my bedroom at night. I manage. Alright, I'm gonna taste a fry. They look crispy. They're only slightly warm now, though. Oh, they're good. Creamy in the middle, the creamy potato. Very crispy on the outside. Well seasoned. Good fries. I'm not 100% certain about this place. I've seen it before on Uber Eats. I'm not sure if it's a bar. It could be. But the place is called Bogey's. Bogeys. Well, apostrophe S. East. Bogey's East. I wanted to order their chili. I wanted to try their chili, but I figured this would be like way too much food anyway. This, the fish and chips, was for pure pleasure. And this, the Cobb salad, also really good. I really just wanted a salad. TMI, but I wanted the roughage. Some fiber. Let's give me a salad. That's good though. That's a very good salad. I love avocado in a salad because the dressing is already very creamy, but then the avocado starts like mixing in with the dressing and it makes it all thick, kind of gooey. That's really good. Let me give a little taste to their coleslaw. Oh, that bacon's good in there. That's decent. Okay. Bogey's is legit. They have legit good food. Oh, mercy. Oh man. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 Pause. Okay. Ooh, y'all. I am so exhausted. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired. As much as I wanted a salad, I don't know if I can eat this tonight. Hoping it keeps in my fridge till I wake up. I mean, I'm sure it will. It'll just be a little wilted. Oh, man. Mm. 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 Wow. So pretty, though. Little bits of tomato and the bacon. Mm. 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 Oh, I love tartar sauce on fries. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh. Still dropping. Mm. Mm. All right, y'all. Oh, I just can't eat anymore right now. I should have just taken the day off, but you know, I don't like missing my posting days. I really don't. Yeah. I'm gonna eat as much of this as I can. I think I've reached my limit. Mm. 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 Well, food was really good. I'm really pleased with the food selection. The salad, incredible. The fish was really good. It's nice and crisp breading. And I could even taste the beer in the batter. Man, the fries are outstanding. I love the crispy outside. Mm. 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 Okay, that's enough food. So, a new show on Netflix called, I think it's called Who's the Mole? It's pretty fun. It's like me and Susan are trying to figure out who the mole is. give you my guess. My guess, number 1 is Joy. Number 2 is Jacob. Number 3, Cassie. I don't know, and there's still a few more that are possibilities, but that's just my guess. Anyway, that's a fun show. And I'm actually working on a few different books right now on Audible. Like 4 or 5. J.R.R. Tolkien's Silmarillion. Got that one going. I'm a few hours into it anyway. Milton's Paradise Lost. I'd never read that, so I'm working on that. Anne Rice, The Wolf Gift. She had a werewolf series. Oh my god, and I'm so looking forward to the witch, you know, the Mayfair Witch Chronicles, because the Interview with the Vampire series, oh, it might like really deviate from the actual story, but the elements, it feels like it's supposed to feel. It's good. It's really good. The last 3 episodes, I've been blown away. The Lestat, actually both Louis and Lestat, it was excellent casting. Oh, excellent casting. Whew, what else? So yeah, The Wolf Gift. And then I just downloaded George R.R. Martin's first in the Game of Thrones series, Game of Thrones. Or, you know, Song of Ice and Fire. It's just the book 1. Anyway. And I've got the whole series in paperback, but the writing, the type is so tiny. I'd much rather, you know, someone else read it to me. So I just kick back and listen. You know, so I go back and forth. I just finished something. I already forgot what it was. Oh, H.P. Lovecraft. The Lurking Fear and Other Stories, I think was the title. But then after I got through with that, I downloaded like, I think it's like 83 hours of the complete works of H.P. Lovecraft. You know, and he's wordy. He's so wordy. It's like every other word is some kind of adjective to describe something as creepy as you could imagine. But I love it. I love that horror stuff, so it makes me happy. Ooh. So you guys, I'm gonna, you know, call it quits right now, because I have to get to editing this. It shouldn't take me too long. I'm exhausted. I hope I can be asleep by 4:30 or 5 at least. Y'all pray for me. If y'all pray for me. My head hurts. And I wish it would stop hurting. I'm really annoyed by that. And I'm annoyed with my maintenance issues. You know, that's a constant irritation for me. Is maintenance stuff. Anyway, you guys, I love you very much. Thank you for joining me. I will see you next time. Bye now.